Welcome to EnergyOMNI's channel， 我是欧妮小编。那大家有看到我手上这只扇子吗？上次有去亚太永续展的朋友应该都有拿到它哦。我们的碳宝宝是金牛座的哦。那我们的风电宝宝是双子座的哦。之后我们会出一系列的能源宝宝，去对照一下自己的星座是哪一只哦。大家有看到我手上这一本吗？没错，今天我们就要来开箱这一本 EnergyOMNI 全能源第2期刊的杂志哦。This is our initial issue of EnergyOMNI, and I believe that many of our followers already got this one. But today, I'm going to unbox this second issue. First, I really need to introduce this cover. The cover are drawn by two 6-year-old kids. They are still on nursing school. Very cute, but they drew wind turbine here. Okay, that's the mountain behind. Flowers, butterflies. This is the ocean. That's the boat. This is the second drawing by another kid, same as 6 years old. That's a wind turbine as well. That's a wind, and that's sun. This is a solar panel and a heart. Personally, I really enjoy the idea of the cover this time because we want to educate the younger generation to be sustainable and to know where our electricity come from. So I really like this idea. I could have Hey guys, welcome back. 所以大家觉得这次的开箱如何呢？我们的第二期刊呢，会即将在不久的未来于官网上线的时候，会举办一个销售的活动哦。那我们的创刊号跟我们的第二期刊都会同时做贩售。详细的活动时间与内容的话，请持续关注我们的最新消息。我们都会把我们的消息放在像是我们的粉专、脸书的粉专、Line 或者是 IG 的群组。那持续关注我们哦。Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.